Hello students, now we are going to discuss unit conversion problem. This is an example problem of unit conversion. In case of fluid, the local heat transfer coefficient for long tube and using bulk properties is expressed by the empirical equation. Small h is equal to 0.023 g power 0.8 k power 0.67 cp power 0.33 divided by d power 0.2 and mu power 0.47, where small h is equal to heat transfer coefficient, unit is BTU per hour foot square degree Fahrenheit, g is equal to mass velocity of fluid pound per foot square second, cp is equal to heat capacity of fluid BTU per pound degree Fahrenheit, thermal conductivity BTU per hour foot degree Fahrenheit, d is the diameter foot, mu is the viscosity pound per foot second. So convert empirical equation into SI unit. Students, one thing is very important here, the system conversion from one system of unit to another system of unit. The system conversion from one system of unit to another system of unit. Here FES unit. FES unit is converted into SI unit. So each and every parameters. So convert from FES unit to SI unit. What is the numerical term? In FES unit, the numerical term is 0.023. Whereas SI unit, what is the numerical value in this equation or in empirical equation? So we want to calculate. So we will discuss. Solution h is equal to 0.023 g power 0.8 k power 0.7 cp power 0.33 divided by d power 0.2 mu power 0.47. So this is the first expression. So here each and every parameter convert from FES unit to SI unit. H unit is the BTU per hour foot square degree Fahrenheit. So this is the FES unit. We want to convert into SI unit. 1 BTU per hour foot square degree Fahrenheit is equal to 4.882 kilocalories per meter squared hour Kelvin. So the habit is come this unit conversion. So all the unit conversion is available in McCabe and Smith. You go to refer the book Unit Operation, McCabe and Smith. E-books are available. You download the book. The last page of the McCabe and Smith Unit Operation, all the unit conversions are available. From that book only I will take BTU per hour feet square degree Fahrenheit is equal to 4.882 kilocalories per meter square hour Kelvin. So this is the SI unit. So next one is mass velocity. So here pound per foot square second. So this is the FES unit. So this is converted into SI unit, kg per meter square second. 1 pound per foot square second is equal to 4.88 kg per meter square second. So this is the conversion factor. So next one is a CP, that is specific heat. So BTU per pound degree Fahrenheit. This is a FES unit. This is equal to 1 calories per gram degree Celsius. Next one, thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity unit is a BTU per hour foot degree Fahrenheit is equal to 1.488 kilocalories per meter hour Kelvin. So you see here the BTU is a FES unit. BTU in terms of kilocalorie, that is a SI unit. Hour, no change hour. Foot is a meter. Degree Fahrenheit in SI unit, degree Celsius or Kelvin. Okay. So then D is a foot. 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meter. Finally viscosity mu pound per foot second is converted into kg per meter second. So you see here the pound is a mass unit. in FES system. So in terms of SI system, so the mass unit is a kg, foot is a meter, second no change, there is a second. Very clear? Okay. So this way we are convert from one system of unit to another system of unit. Substitute 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in first expression. So H values are equal to 4.882 in SI unit. Then all the values are substituted here. So in the main expression 0.023 like this, 4.88, 0.8 g power 0.8. So then 1.488 power 0.67, k power 0.67, 1 power 0.33 into cp power 0.33 divided by 0.3048 power 0.2, d power 0.2, 1.487 power 0.47, mu power 0.47. So the substitute all the value. So we will only concentrate the numerical term. What is the numerical term? What is the conversion from FES system to SI system? Rearrange the expression. So the H is equal to, finally we got 0.022. So this is the conversion from FES unit to SI unit. Okay. Thank you for your attention.